Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, and you're probably aware that this week the winner was announced for the Bird of the Year competition run by Forest and Bird. So the winning bird was hoiho, and the hoiho appears in our recently published book He Mīharo te manu. He Mīharo te manu means birds are amazing. So the hoiho is very amazing for being voted first. And in this book I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So we've got He Mīharo te tui, the tui is amazing. And then for each of the birds we've got what their amazing skill is. So for this one, He Pukenga waiata ona. It has great, they have great singing skills. And in this one, the hoiho is amazing. So here's our beautiful hoiho, the yellow-eyed penguin. He mīharo te hoiho, the hoiho is amazing. He pukenga koukou ona. They have great swimming skills. And through to the ruru, great listening skills. And the kea, great mischief-making skills. And the toroa albatross, great flying skills. The kōtare, the kingfisher, great fishing skills. The pūkeko, great running skills. The kereru has great recycling skills because it's able to eat the berries and spread the seeds. And of course the kiwi has great digging skills. And then children are amazing too. We're all amazing. So that's our book, He Mīharo te manu, if you haven't already seen it before. And here's how to say the bird of the year in Te Reo Māori. Te manu, the bird, rongonui, and that means kind of the best, the winner. Te manu rongonui o te tau rua mano te kau mā iwa. Rua mano, that's this year in Te Reo. Rua mano 2000, te kau 10, and mā iwa and 9 2019. So if you haven't already seen our book and haven't already purchased, it's really good to use for talking about the amazing skills that children have as well. And in my follow-up ideas that I do for each book, I've mentioned how to say those things about children. How to say you're an amazing girl, you're an amazing boy, these are what your great skills are. So it's a great idea to help children to recognise all their amazing talents that they've already got. Okay, congratulations to the hoiho and all the best to you too. Ka kite.